In this video, I will show you just how easy it is to replace all three cameras in the LG G5 phone. You've got two cameras on the back. You've got a primary and a secondary. One's a wide angle. And then on the front, you've got a front-facing selfie camera. And the specs on these cameras are pretty darn good. You got 16 megapixels, shoots 4K video for the primary. You can also shoot 4K video with the wide angle. And even the front-facing camera is a full 1080 HD video camera. The cameras weren't focusing very well, so I decided I was going to replace both of the rear cameras. Pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and shut the phone off and pull the battery out. Once you do that, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you just remove these two small Phillips screws here, pull the SIM card out, and once you get that SIM card out, you're basically in the phone. These phones are not glued together like most smartphones. There's just a series of friction tabs along each side here. The trick is keeping pressure between the front and the back. I've seen suction cup pliers, but here's a trick that works real well. A couple of pins will keep pressure between the front and the back, and while the pins are keeping pressure, just use a razor blade to gently release those friction tabs that are on the side. Just keep working your way forward, move side to side. And if you only have one pin, works just fine as well. Just keep pressure in there while you gently release those friction tabs. Again, these phones are not glued together, so it's very easy to get in here. And once you get yourself most of the way forward, you're in. And you can see here is the lens for the two primary cameras, and we're going to go ahead and put that face down so it doesn't collect any dust. And here you got your secondary and your primary cameras. And the motherboard is just screwed down with these tiny little screws. They're a little different size than the others, so you want to keep those organized. And once you get all your screws out, you're going to need to first remove the plug. It's a little ribbon cable here for the main camera. Give you a better look here. Just go ahead and unplug that from the circuit board. The front-facing camera is super easy. Once you unplug that, it's actually removed. It's working fine, so we'll just put that one back on, but if you need a new one, that's how you do it. And the circuit board just clips in here. You just want to make sure you release that so you don't damage anything, and then it will just fold up out of your way. And that's it. So now we're ready to remove the primary camera. A little bit of adhesive on there. My replacement one also came with some, so we'll go ahead and put that on first. Once we have that laid down, we're ready to pop the wide angle off of the circuit board and put the new one on. Very easy. Just plug it back onto the circuit board. And now we can just lift that ribbon cable and fold the board back down. Snap it back on. We can put our front-facing camera back on. And we need to plug the primary back onto the board. Once we do that, we can start putting our screws back in. I'll speed through this a little bit, save you guys some time. Once you get all your screws in, there's a little slot here. You want to just match it up with the front of the phone. Once you do that, you snap it back together. Friction tabs do all the work. Get your SIM card and your Phillips screws back in. And now we're ready to put the batteries in and fire it up and test those cameras. And it looks like we're getting an excellent image on the primary. Good focus, and it looks like it's going to zoom just fine. So let's try the wide angle. Looks good. Looks like this was a good repair. If this helped you guys out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.